out in the clouds.
Good morning, friends! Welcome to our Active Thursday. Are you excited? It's the 5th day of the week and it's the last day of the week. Okay, friends, are you ready for our good morning song? Let's start. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm glad to be with you. And you, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la. Yay! Good job. Okay, friends, do you remember all our colors? Let's see. What color is this? Good job. Red. And this? Blue. Good job. And this? Green. Well done. And this? Black. Wow. And this? Yellow. Good job, everyone. Okay, friends, now let's get ready to practice our color song. Let's hear it.
If you are wearing red, shake your head. If you are wearing red, shake your head. If you are wearing red, then please shake your head. If you are wearing red, shake your head. If you are wearing blue, touch your shoe. If you are wearing blue, touch your shoe. If you are wearing blue, then please touch your shoe. If you are wearing blue, touch your shoe. If you are wearing green, bow to the queen. If you are wearing green, bow to the queen. If you are wearing green, then please bow to the queen. If you are wearing green, bow to the queen. If you are wearing yellow, shake like jello. If you are wearing yellow, shake like jello. If you are wearing yellow, then please shake like jello. If you are wearing yellow, shake like jello. If you are wearing black, pat your back. If you are wearing black, pat your back. If you are wearing black, then please pat your back. If you are wearing black, pat your back.
Okay, friends, did you like our color song? Did you guess all the colors? Good job. Now let's practice our song about colors and dance. Have fun, my little friends. Bye-bye.